Hypertherm's reputation rests solidly on the product's ability to do exactly what they say it will. In that regard, the Powermax45 is an absolute beast. This guy can make precise cuts through half-inch steel at 20 inches per minute all day long. And while it carries a hefty price tag, it's easy on consumables, 186% more efficient than some models, which means it's easier on your checkbook over the long haul. As an added perk, Hypertherm's consumables are a lot less expensive than those of many other manufacturers. This is something that should not be overlooked if you're operating a business where maintaining profit margins are important. For the specifications, it is designed to be portable, so it weighs 37 pounds. Dimensions are 13.7 inches high, 6.75 inches wide, and 16.75 inches long. It uses a T45 type torch and requires 230 to 240 volts AC over a 50 amp circuit single phase. Maximum cutting thickness is 3/4 of an inch, and this plasma cutter requires an external air compressor. The controls on the Powermax45 are very straightforward. There's a mode switch that toggles between 3 primary modes. Continuous pilot arc, a mode that allows you to easily cut perforated metal such as grating. Non-continuous pilot arc, this is the standard setting used for cutting metal plate of varying thickness, and gouging, for punching holes in plate metal. If you're going to drop a couple $1,000s on a tool, you should expect it to be able to handle a certain level of performance and reliability. The Powermax45 from Hypertherm was designed from the ground up to be rock solid. It has ample power, operates efficiently, and offers inexpensive consumables. By the way, if there's another product that you'd like us to review, go ahead and put that in the comments down below and we'll make that happen.